इसमें इतना पड़ी है।
अरे उतना नहीं, हाँ यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक।
The clock is gonna turn back soon. The season is already changing. We say goodbye for the final time. My room needs rearranging. The sidewalk is full of people.
Welcome to the channel. This is Manishi, of course, and now we're going to witness how a few days right before the hardest semester of law school actually played out. So it starts with not studying, but actually waking up at 6 a.m. to leave for this school lecture with fellow legal aid members. If you ever go to law school, there would be these cells that you could be a part of, which would help you understand more about why law, other than the boring bare acts and the cases. So we delivered the lecture. I was exhausted by the end of it. It lasted for more than we thought, but the whole experience of going back to a convent school felt super nostalgic. Like this has been more than half of my life, and now it's not anymore. But what has become a part of my life is presentations, which was scheduled for the same day, so I had to rush back and change. Here we were pamping out for the last day of CPC. Okay, so firstly, we went to the school for the visit. After that, I had to give my CPC presentation. And after that, I'm like super hungry. So we came to this cute little restaurant to eat something healthy. And after that, I think that's enough for the day. A lot has happened and I'm like really tired. Let's eat now. I'm like super hungry. I'm dying.
होता है क्या? इतना अपना खाना खा जाता है क्या?
हाँ, मेरा में से भी खाए लगता है।
ये अपना जल्दी जल्दी खा।
Hi everyone, you're seeing me after a day because the Mrs. food is so good that I was down for a whole day. I thought that I need a refreshment. I should start with a little YouTube video and then I'll get into the mood of studying and then I'll start studying. But my parcel came in from Amazon and we are gonna see what's in my parcel. I'm eating it for the first time with you guys. Okay, wow, it's a nice one. Now if you guys remember, I already had a tote bag in this video. You can see it is high time that I should start studying it. This is like end sem. I'm only today and tomorrow, and after that on Monday there's my exam. If I'm shooting and if I have a camera on board, I'm not able to concentrate, and then I'll fail and I'll make a vlog about it that I actually failed. So if that, I don't want that to happen. After 2 or 3 hours when I get completely bored and I don't want to study, I'll go to the library and I'll study there. And I'll also take my tote bag. That is the main reason. When I get something new, I want to just use it as soon as that I can. I just get really excited when I get anything. Now I woke up and I don't even have the notes. Wait. I'll just procrastinate because I have AC in my room. So I just think, what's the difference? I can comfortably study, but I don't comfortably study. I comfortably sleep. We're going to the library. We're going to the library. Don't judge me upon if I'm looking good or not. This is the exam season. This is the utmost ready that I can be. And for my readiness, I only have the tote bag with me. So I sat here in the library. It was a steal cause, of course, of the charging cable here. I'm even surprised how it was empty, like even the whole library was full and during the peak exam times. And I was clearly irritated here because I knew what was coming. I had to study my ass off. Of course, I've heard about the syllabus and I knew that it was massive and deadly. But I even got a little preview beforehand, right after I finished doing the most urgent thing right now, that is applying my lip balm.
इसमें फाड़ना मत, ऑफिस पे इसका फोटो वेरिफिकेशन।
ये सब तुम अभी बनाए हो? इसमें इतना पड़ी है?
अरे उतना नहीं, हाँ यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक। एक सेक्शन है भाई, एक ऑर्डर है।
कितना टाइम लगा पढ़ने में? To give you a little idea of what I'm studying here, it's CPC, the subject that I gave the presentation for today. The Civil Procedure Code, even though this is like the third paper, not even the first two, the syllabus of this thing was huge. A person like me sat down to study like 5 days before the examination. I know my capacity. This isn't possible even 2 nights before the examination. Isn't a thing that you can finish by pulling up an all-nighter. But all in all, at the end, the exam went well, so at least the efforts were justified. When I tell you like this is the hardest semester of the law school, it's cause of CPC and company law. Rightfully, at least the company law needs to be divided into two parts to be studied in two different semesters. You don't even get the concepts clear and it is all messed up at the end. All chased to the future corporate lawyers, and unfortunately, it is not even done in my law school. To tell you in a generalized language, I was cooked, hadn't slept for 5 nights, and I was like barely surviving by the end of the sentence. Hello, hi. This is the thing about me. If I don't study, I don't study. If I do study,
Still you don't study.
I test my limits. Like how much more can I study? Till I have like completely given up. And now I need chai. So we went out to have chai. Comment down below if you're a coffee person or a chai person. For me, it's always adrak wali chai. That is the only relief that I get. Also had this vanilla cake that I so like, and that was the dinner for tonight. That's it. Ladies and gentlemen, let's call it the girl dinner in its truest of definitions. After about an hour break, I thought of sitting down and completing the rest of the 2 orders, but I really did not want it to. So when my friend came in to go for another walk around the campus, I happily agreed, and we stayed again half an hour. So the complete break was for 1.5 hours. But it was worth it because again I had to go back and sit and study for another 4.5 hours in order to complete the rest of the two sections. I'm sorry, orders. So there are 3 orders in total that are coming for CPC, and they're super long. You can see me studying for like 7 hours straight in this video. And still a portion of it was left that I had to complete the other day, but yet I tried to complete the sections. After all that, I finally decided to give up at 1, packed my stuff. I already used digital notes and this bare ads and my notes that were like now 16 pages long. These are short notes that are 16 pages long, and I don't really understand how the rest of these are still studying. Dedication have I, but I don't want to have that, so I left. That's all for today. Next day, I had some stress relief tea to relieve the stress from the other day. Then I went outside to play with the little one. You'll see him you saw him now. Meet Salazar. He was a stray before, but we adopted him now, and he lives with his family in the boys' hostel. At times, my friend brings him to me so that I can, take him for a walk, where we are walking and he's just enjoying the view. We sat in the atrium. Later, some other friends joined, and we talked about how we're going to tackle our exams and internships that are going to follow. You can see now the videos are so old that I'm getting bored by the voiceover. So that's it. This was the day before the hardest semester of the law school. These were actually the hardest days. You sure saw me studying for like 7.5 hours. One day, my children will see the same videos and they'll study for 14. Thank you everyone for coming. I'll appreciate you even more if you stay back, subscribe and like this video. Share it with anyone who wants to come to law school. This is one of my comfort YouTubers, by the way, and here's the proof that we survived through the semester, because this is how we celebrated my birthday. And that is it. I'll see you in one of these 2 videos. Both are great. Bye bye.